Albert Records present the Morse code melody, announced by Professor Bruce Lacey with a solo on the human voice.
Ho-ho, that Morse code melody. Sorry. Ho-ho, that Morse code melody. It's the scourge of the Edgware Road. See them dancing to the old Morse code. Their faces are light with jollity. Ho-ho, that Morse code melody. Played in the closest harmony. See those headcats rolling down the aisle. See those tomcats jumping on the tires to the tune of that Morse code melody. Oh, that Morse code melody. Oh, that Morse code melody. It is, I tell you, all the mode. See them dancing to the old Morse code. Their faces are light with jollity. Oh, that Morse code melody. Played in the closest harmony. See those babies bumping down the stairs. See those beatniks pulling out their hairs. The tune of that Morse code melody.
We're finished. Douglas, shh. Hey.
You fools! You fools! You've ruined it!
Oh, rubbish.
Rubbish? It may be rubbish, but by jingo, it's English rubbish!